muscle car to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking one too. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS Tribute car. Underneath the hood, 427 vet engine. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Has been restored to this black exterior, blue interior. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. SS emblems on the grille. Nice glossy black paint. And the affectionately nicknamed ice cube trays in the hood. There's something for down in the comments if you know why those were affectionately called the ice cube trays. Go ahead and make a comment down below this video in the comments. Speaking of this video, click on the link down below it. That's going to take you right to our website. And on our website, you can of course see all the still pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com is that website. Phone number 507-386-1726. Blue line radial tires, more of a modern slotted wheel. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's actually a little photo album that will go along with the car of restoration pics, copy of the original invoice, protecto plate, convertible top operation manual, whole folder of miscellaneous receipts. That'll all go along with it, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about in the still pictures. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome of the rear bumper, taillight surrounds, all looking good. And again, you can see the reflection in that paint, nice, deep, glossy finish. Once again, the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. I'll show you the convertible top being folded up too. It is a manual top, very easy for one person to put it up. We'll show you that at the end of the video. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this one for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. As we look down this driver's side again, you can see the reflection in that paint. If you're into Camaros or maybe just muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Look at the reflection of that paint, little cars in the wall behind me. Deep gloss. All right, bucket seats up front, blue vinyl. Is a black vinyl convertible top. Of course, you have this clip over here to release that manual top, and we'll fold it up. And again, I'll show you that in a bit. First, we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. We'll listen to it. Now, in the still pictures, you will be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats. So go ahead and check that out. And speaking of checking this out, it's fired up. Again, 427. Big block V8 Corvette engine has been installed in this during the restoration. That 4-speed manual transmission. There's a temperature gauge down below and also an oil pressure aftermarket gauge down below. Otherwise, that dash is looking pretty stock. Door closes beautifully, hardly any effort at all. Ooh, let's take a listen. A little rumble coming out of that big block. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Let's go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped open. We'll check out the convertible top after the engine, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, underside of the hood, hood liner. and engine bay. Looks like a newer master cylinder, brake booster, and power steering. Nice smooth running engine. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. That's a good looking engine bay, no doubt about that. This car will bring home some trophies, turn some heads, and best of all, just fun to drive. Would not be ashamed to have the hood open on this bad boy. All right, let me pause this one more time, get the tripod set up. I want to show you that convertible top being folded up, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. And there you go, convertible top up. I also rolled up the side glass, obviously. But first of all, nice tight fit above the windshield. And around to the side glass. See, nice fit there. Also, no rips, tears, holes. Actually looks about brand new, black vinyl. Nice clear rear window. Around to the passenger side. Again, no rips, tears, holes. Doesn't show any wear at all, really. Side glass on this side. Nice fit. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Oof. It's a beauty. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS Tribute. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as far as the top going down, you just fold it back, vice versa, of what I just did putting it up. Stick around, Jason's going to take it for a drive.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful Camaro from 1968. This car checks all the boxes. We got 4 on the floor, manual transmission, big block power. It's a convertible, and it's an amazing blue interior with blue stripe on the front, matching the blue interior, and black paint. The hood that everybody wants. The power that everybody wants, the sound that everybody wants. It's such a beautiful car. The speedometer's working as it should. Fuel gauge showing a half a tank. Both our turn signals are working properly. The blower motor works and the AM radio is picking up stations. Under the dash we have a temperature gauge from Bosch reading 185. The oil pressure showing 60 to 65 psi. It's all looking really good. Beautiful carpet, beautiful seats, bucket vinyl seats, and one of the best blues you can imagine. Or if you're looking at them, and you just saw them in Jay's video, you know what they look like. This car feels great. The clutch feels good, the shifting feels good. Brakes nice and smooth. I'm not getting any strange sounds. For a 68 Camaro, it corners very well. That's not even a lot of RPMs. I know big blocks, they don't need a lot of RPMs. What can I say? This is a fun car and a beautiful car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 68 Camaro convertible with a big block and a 4-speed at uniqueclassiccars.com.